All right, when we have two meteorologists in the same space, that's usually cause for concern.
Oh, yeah. Well, a lot to talk about at least, right? We have stuff going on, the WVTM 13 Doppler this evening, tracking the tropics, a little bit of everything.
Right, we've got some heavy storms in northwest Alabama at this moment, but we're also watching the development of Tropical Storm Helene down in the Caribbean. And Taylor, this thing is starting to get its act together.
Starting to get its act together. We've got a couple impact weather days ahead of us, starting with tomorrow and then also lasting into Thursday. Impact weather tomorrow, thanks to the front that's moving in. That's going to bring us scattered rain and thunder. But Thursday, that's when we do start to feel those tropical impacts from Helene. Winds gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour. Some flooding possible, especially east of I-65, where we do see the heavier rainfall total. So right now, Helene is a tropical storm. It's in the Caribbean. It will become a Category 1 hurricane likely by tomorrow afternoon, I'd say. After that, it continues on a northward track, moving into the Gulf. It's going to get over some really warm water. That's going to allow it to rapidly intensify into a Category 3 major hurricane by Thursday afternoon. After that, landfall likely in the Big Bend of Florida. So right now, somewhere between, I'd say, Panama City and Cedar Key. As this moves ashore, it will be weakening once it gets over land. A tropical storm still, though, as it moves into southwest Georgia. We are on the western side of this system, so we are going to have impacts, but the heavier rain, the stronger winds are going to remain to our east. And I did want to show you the latest watches and warnings. The red you see here across the Big Bend of Florida from Indian Pass to Tampa, that's a hurricane warning. All the bright blue you see along the Florida Peninsula, tropical storm warning. Jason, we are expecting some impacts, though, of course, here in Alabama as well.
Right. Even though we're on the western side of this, we still have impact weather tomorrow because of a cold front, and Thursday because of the combination of Helene's influence and that cold front kicking up the wind and creating lots of showers and thunderstorms. In the here and now, we're watching storms over northwest Alabama that are just going to park here from Morgan and Cullman, Winston, Walker, Fayette, Marion, Tuscaloosa, and Pickens counties from now to about 11 p.m. They're just sticking in place there. This will slowly move eastward overnight, and about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, don't be surprised if you're awakened by loud thunder around T-Town, Livingston, ML, Utah, Bolagie, Aliceville, potentially up into Birmingham, West Jefferson, Gardendale, Fultondale, and Warrior, maybe even Cullman and Aniana too. Some of this action is going to be pretty heavy to start the day. So it will be raining early in the morning, but it may not be raining in every single community the entire time. That could make for a pretty messy morning commute around here on Wednesday. So tonight, we've got our scattered storms in progress. Some of those are still going to be around tomorrow morning, and then occasional heavy storms and a high only around 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So let's fast forward here to Wednesday night. Remember that slow moving batch of storms? That's already dropped a good 1 to 2 inches of rain across much of north and central Alabama. It moves to the east and then just gets hung up here near the Georgia border through Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. Then watch what happens. Here comes the rain from Helene interacting with that front. And I think here over especially northeast Alabama, we're in for some pretty significant rain. So by 3 o'clock Thursday afternoon, this is mostly cold front rain right here with scattered thunderstorms. Look at the variability from place to place. A fraction here, 2 inches there. But then watch the rain build in from the east. And some of these numbers are probably a little overdone. In this area, I think a few could get 4 or 5 inches of rain, but most are probably on the line of maybe 3 to 5 inches, and we're thinking fairly close to US 431, which I've highlighted right there. So tomorrow, good chance of showers and storms. Will not rain the entire day, but you'll want some rain gear with you. Thursday looks like a pretty wet and breezy day overall. Wind gusts around 20 to 40. Rain tapers off Friday. Could see a shower or two over the weekend, but most of us are looking dry going into Saturday and Sunday.